Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Apple ID on your iPhone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the settings app on your phone. Once you do that, on your screen at the top, you're going to find your name. Tap on it. There you can see options like personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions, etc. You're gonna have to scroll down all the way to the end and you're gonna find sign out option. Tap on sign out, then give your password to that Apple ID, then tap on turn off from the top right corner and you'll be able to sign out of your Apple ID from your iPhone. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.